Don't neglect the importance of doing good because you can get injured. Hi, this is Primoz Lazar here, and that's my success principle for today. As I just mentioned, the life expects from you that you are doing good to yourself and to other people. You need to take care of your attitude. You shouldn't smoke, you shouldn't use drugs, you shouldn't drink oversized limits of the alcohol, you shouldn't be angry, you shouldn't steal from other people, you should be ethical, you should be fair. Because immediately when you will do something wrong, when you will speed over the limits when you're driving your car, when you will be upset on somebody when something went wrong, that's when you are giving the responsibility of your own to other people, and you are neglecting the truth, which is always do great things. Okay, because when you do something wrong, it can reflect on your physical body. It can reflect on any situations that are happening in your life, and you will get injured. Okay, maybe your back will start hurting you. Maybe you will crash your car. Or maybe you will get hit on the street. Maybe you will slip and you will break your arm. Anything can happen. I am just warning you, I'm just giving you a reminder, because when you are doing wrong things, the world will punish you and it will show you that you are doing it wrong, because the nature expects from you that you are constructive, that you are doing great, and then where the blessing will come and the fortune will be compounded. Okay, so just a quick reminder, please try to do your best. That was Primoz, and enjoy your day. Bye.